All right, guys. I was in works of doing something super cool. I've done something like this before in the past, um, and that's basically have Denise control my cell phone, where she will receive text messages. She could send text messages. Same with email, all that, right? So, the method I used back in the day when I did this is changed, and I found that Windows 10 comes with a way you can connect your phone, but if you don't have a Samsung Galaxy or if you have an iPhone, it doesn't really work. But I found a program that allows you to do it for free, and I downloaded it. I was setting it all up, and I realized I can't use it because my brand new $4,000 computer doesn't have a Bluetooth on it. So I forgot to add that when I built it. So that's that's awfully silly of me. But I wanted to show you guys. So like, if we can get this going, then you could essentially have Denise use it and send out text messages right from the computer. You know, goes straight off your phone. So let's see what we have here. So this program is made by Dell. Okay, um, it's called Dell Mobile Connect, and it'll work with any phone, whether it be any Android, and yes, even the iPhone. Um, so yeah, as you can see here on this little app or this page, it shows you it coming up on your computer, on simultaneously on your phone as well. And like, let's say you get a text message on your phone, it'll pop up a little notification on your PC, and then yeah, very cool, exciting stuff. So this is absolutely free. So go to your cell phone. Well, I guess okay. Let me back up here. You need to do a few things. First and foremost, you need to turn on developer mode on your Windows 10 PC. So to do that, you go to your settings. So you go here, go right here to settings, and then update and security. Well, shit. Settings, update and security. Then you're gonna go to for developers, and then right here it says developer mode. You're gonna turn it on. You have to do that. Have to. Then you're going to download the app here, and I'll leave the URL in um, on this video. I'll leave the link where you can go and download it. It's kind of sketchy because it's from Mega. Like, I don't know if you know what Mega is. Um, Mega is a website where you can host any file you want. You can share it with whomever. Now, if this was a legit company doing this, they would not host that file on Mega. They would host it on their website. Why it's like this, I don't know. Um, yeah. So download it from Mega, install it, and then you go and see. I didn't need the drivers. It said download the drivers here. I didn't. Um, then you go to your phone and you download the app. Let's see here. On my iPhone, it's Dell Mobile Connect, and you probably can't see that. It's right. It's oh shit. It's right there. This blue one on the bottom, right there. Anyway, um, so yeah, it's gonna ask you to basically turn your Bluetooth on and connect, and then it's gonna ask you if you trust the computer you're using. Most likely, you're going to use your home computer. So yes, if it's a shared computer, I would not. Um, and yeah, and then that's as far as I got. But I looked at I did some research on it, and it looks cool. Let's see here. It looks It looks very promising. So I'm gonna have to go buy me like a little Bluetooth dongle. But I just wanted to just basically set this up for a new day where you can control your phone on your Windows 10 computer for free. And yeah, once I get it up and running, I'm going to update this video and make it to whereas Denise can send out emails or text messages from my phone as if it were me. All right. Sorry, this is not just the whole thing. It's just, like I said, just setting it up for another day. But if any of you get this working, let me know. And yeah, very exciting stuff.